Butterfly pictures and butterfly photos. Hope you can enjoy. You see the different markings on the butterflies and the different videos. Like and subscribe at James That's Life.
Such a close-up.
And share my videos and enjoy them if you love butterflies. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. I can get such a good view of this little butterfly, and I'm here walking up the Hong Kong Peak looking out for butterflies, like a butterfly hunter. Wow, look at the detail of that butterfly that I got there. It's amazing. I don't know if you can see there, I've got a small butterfly in amongst the ferns there on the leaf. Look at the small butterfly resting in the cool. Wow, that's a cool shot there.